All right, here is a order I got. One customer want this tooth need to be wire wrap. I usually don't do wire wrapping. I don't know how to do wire wrapping, and but being as a jeweler, sometimes you have to learn. Sometimes you have to figure out how to do for your customer. If they ask something, if you don't know, try your best and learn a new techniques. So that's what they had before, a very thin wire, single wire, and I think it broke. So I got this copper wire. It's a brass wire. It's a pretty nice thick wire and pretty good gauge, thicker than this one, and it's kind of flexible. It's gonna be easy to bend. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube how to wire wrap shark teeth, and I'm gonna try, give a shot and see how it looks. So, and this was another project I'm working on it. The customer got this charm, and he says kind of very thin right here, and what he need make it like a little bit more thicker. So I melt gold, and what I'm gonna do, put it on the back and solder all the way around, so it give like a little bit more weight and more thickness to it. Still working on it, still got a little bit edges right here. I need to spread a little bit more this way or maybe that way. So hopefully that will be done in a couple of days. So hopefully the customer like. So I'm gonna work on this wire wrap and see how it looks. All right, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll work on that one, and I will show you the finished product if it worked, because I don't wanna make the video too long. Okay, I finished this wrapping the shark tooth. I think it is okay, but not the best. And that's how the customer wanted. Little loops on the bottom and hook on the top and on the back. Looks okay. That's my first wrap on gold. I mean shark tooth. So it's pretty strong. It is not going anywhere, but at least at the front it looks decent. I know this piece right here is not perfect because the wire was a little more thicker than I expected, but it's not gonna break, and I'll make sure that on the back is like kind of smooth. There is no sharp wire sticking out, so it hurt, you know, while wearing it. But I will let the customer look at it. If they like it, then it's okay. If not, then we will figure out something else. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.